kurokure ipapo ndakamechesa zibhurugwa racho zihombe iri kutengesa zvivhesi reredhi ndakamechesa. Oyo, what's good YouTube? It's about that's what you come back my YouTube channel. I'm saying, and yeah, chilling man. Here in the hood man. I'm saying, and today I'm gonna tell you the reason why I hate tighty. You understand? So if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm saying, so this one is gonna be like a hoto, or yeah, look at the sunset man. A hoto nyana, a story time nyana as well, and yeah. Peak time is it peak time or peak hour? Yeah, peak hour as well. You understand? So yeah, I don't know if guys can also clearly because behind the sunset here, but yeah, let me face the camera this side. So yeah, guys, I'm sure Mashinji wanna know why do I hate tight? Like my post sang Mashinji. Let me just say from the beginning, my post sang Mashinji they were to criticize tight, and what I'm saying, and yeah. I think today I just have like to break it up to you, you know what I'm saying, and tell you the reason behind behind I hate tight, you know what I'm saying. Between young and tight. Personally, I don't hate tight. Tight used to be my favorite content creator like from day one. I don't wanna like in fact he is still my favorite content creator, but Parakazo tight it's because of personal reasons. Personal reasons personal reasons one. There's this time tight pakatanga kupona copyright. Like I remember in kuti ndizotanga kuti blow up channel yangu sitanga ku darika vanhu 1000 nekukwanisa watching hours there kuti usvike pamonetization ka. Let's hope and obata mic man. Let's hope you can hear me. Okay, let me hold my phone like this. For me kuzotanga kuti say kuzonda monetize in fact. Para stanga monetization nekuzosvika 1000 subscribers ne ndaita blogging, you understand. So pakuita blogging apa manje mazuva ndazotanga kuona kuti no man, blogging is bringing numbers. Blogging is the one ikuita sei kubhadhara ndo mazuva aitika mascandalise kwataiti, ndo mazuva pisani tight, you understand. So ndichona saka tight ndiyakupisa. Then I started doing my blogs ndichiblogga nyaya dzatight ndichasese, you understand. And blogging good and bad about him, you understand. Everything one life, you know, so I'm a blogger, so you'll be just blogging each and every trend, blogging each and every story. Nigga, come on, understand. So blogger, guys, look at this car. Carnitica boys. Blogger, then daga blogger near tight. Motor dagati, I'm comparing my prices between motor Shada and motor tight. And then that video I blow my views like a wonder. In one day I got to my 3.5k views because I remember I blogged that video in Chief of Bassa, around 12 when I reposted Sibu Yoga. And I got to over 3.5k. I don't know, I get about 4,000. Masaro, I don't corporate claim like tight. And then man tight kubvisa kwaita mavideo 7 pa YouTube. He wanted to prove people kuti ndine simba rekubvisa mavideo 7. But no man, after ndro copyright pa video rangu inini, I then went to do some YouTube researches maize. Vanatobaya kuzvima courses machichichi pepe. Then I started YouTube, ndatanga kutanga kuverenga YouTube ndikuverenga mabhuku maize. At first ndaisika kuti appeal. Then vanazoti appeal YouTube. Nyora email, no man, this is a blog video. You can't copyright a video and it's not possible. It's not even possible to remove that claim. Then if I piece of copyright, you should okay, what you're going to do is like we're going to give tight 10 days to prove that pa video rako rawaisero room offense apart. DG reported to the court. Akakutora ku court report a case yacho. Akata say oh they just gave you a copyright. DG gave you warning, did you give that entire failed to prove that in 10 days, you understand? And that's what you should do. Ukaro copyright, you come to my DM. I will help you to remove that copyright, you understand? So right, let us say that app you gonna copyright area. And that copyright video rest of them like the rest of them offend it anyway because I was just comparing between BMW and Toyota Aqua. And then I should you understand? And then during the comparison, man, the motor Shadai, Yakabuda is more expensive than motor tight, you understand? So Paguzo the motor tight Yabuda because mota patakati maresearch zedu taona Toyota apa it cost around 7,000 US, and the motor tight costing around what do you call it, 35,000 kuibuy cars. So takazero ndiziye price yemota yanzani tight. Ndakatora video ravo rakati kuibhota wanyuka chichichichi first kamwe ratikombora chichirare. Then ndakatora ka clip about 10 seconds clip ndichibva ndachizonzi to prove this point yekuti mota tight yakatengwa kupi and yakatengwa price. I went to buy cars website, then vandasearcha kuti buy cars BMW X3 model yachona, then vaita prices 30,000, 33, 35, and then I selected 35,000 yachona idhurise mandaisayo which means pamwe akatotengana ma 2930, you understand. And then vandatsvaka clip kabe kaka, so ka clip kandakashandisa kaka, he took that clip, then paanoclaima copyright kuti no, someone used my content and I own this content, understand. So yeah, even when I knew right YouTube, no man, I was doing a reaction video because you can react to anyone's content, even content they are president, you can react to it. YouTube allows you to react, YouTube allows you to criticize. Criticism no boom on YouTube. You go on YouTube, you understand? So yeah, YouTube versions where we're gonna bring back your video. Yeah, video that's over. So pakadzorwa video rara manje after 10 days that's it. But this one, this affected me. Affect this it killed my career. I don't wanna lie. So I got to career mashure because by that moment I was like about to reach 1,000 subscribers, and then reaching 1,000 subscribers. After reaching 1,000 subscribers, YouTube, my days line I please, I don't wanna lie. Then I post a blog so I'm going to title this 10k views, 14k, 15k. You understand? So this affected me because YouTube is stopped recommending my videos. Because YouTube not post a video, it will recommend your video to other viewers, you understand, new viewers. Yangango patuma subscribers on shoma my videos I'm push, and yeah, it affected like engagement your video ram my videos I'm gonna post, you understand. So yeah guys, I'm just going nowhere, I'm just walking, taking a walk, you understand. Kwandaba nde huku ndakudzokera futi koko, and yeah, look at the view man. Yeah, we here for Treka, and yeah, this is Goodwood, you understand. So yeah guys, then I became bitter. I don't wanna lie. I get bitter because you can't be monetized around the strike because I was given a copyright strike. Chakashara copyright strike. Ukapiwa 3 copyright strikes. YouTube. Imagine after working so hard to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours, they know what block your YouTube channel. You understand? So I became so bitter. I don't know, like not bitterness. But fuck man, I hate this motherfucker because Title was my favorite from day one up to Hameno. You understand? I take a poster video, I would run goods on take a poster. Look at this, I would admire writer. I end up Zimbabwe, Kumira, Wagan, and Bebrag after all those summers and stuff. What I say. And then I don't manage to tell you, I say, the cartoon phone era to remember about Facebook. What did I do? Then his face was answering my messages. Then he returned the call later. I returned a call. Maybe I could fire this. How can you say Motasha? This and that. You can't do that. You can't say that. You don't even know that getting a married, blah 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 blah. She did be still go it just expired after 3 months. Abaman not knowing good for 3 months. I got off my videos, man. Yes, I got all tight. And I sent my clips like copyright. Some clips I imagine the government Kurmis are going to take down those videos. Copyright. So those videos. So you can cooperate in the moon by YouTube. YouTube it will take about 3 days to confirm with this person deceives you. Does it cooperate? Sure, panic content. So man, I was calculating my this another poster with the video and Dora Tanka 3 days get. So Dora Tanka Kuro, which means Mango 2 and I posted that day. I would say I could have the cooperate, and I was like, nah man, let me quickly remove those videos. I took down those videos and he couldn't hit 3 copyright strikes. It was because either I don't want 3 copyright strikes. Then yeah, my journey very far. I understand. And I was like, yo, this man, you wanna kill my career, right? Then I don't have a data beat. I don't wanna lie. He started not answering my messages. But I'm going to claim up and down. The man says, "Can I apply to YouTube partner? This is one of my YouTube can manage you. Can I break my community guidelines? They see YouTube because you want to copyright strike." And yeah, I knew like I'm going to 3 copyright strike career language. And you tried YouTube for so many years. There's someone just destroy career in one day. I was like, no man, this motherfucker, I'm gonna fight him like no man's shit, man. Then I started posting, attacking him tight. tight. I was making like 10 videos every day about tight. I don't want like getting so many views. I don't want like this channel to grow kwa yazo about 30,000 like. So I can't tell that it made my channel grow, and I really appreciate for that because I end up making content because of his name. You understand? Getting so many views, getting so many attention. You know what I'm saying? And then I got an accident about that. No man, I can quit man and start making my own content. And then yeah, my views I'm gonna. And for now I'm trying to pick up my views. I could quit as well. I'm trying 1,000 views for 2,000, 3,000 for my vlogs and my personal vlogs. But if I just go back to blogging, you understand? You know me. They know me, all those bloggers. There's small channels in my car, and I'm a big threat in this game. I don't wanna lie. In this blogging team, I don't wanna lie. So yeah, but that's what I say. We just start like because manje kuzotanga usitapita paakandisa utsinye. But ndo pangana kama kuvenga tight. Ndo personal reason ndanga kuvenga tight. Then second reason ndanga kuvenga tight is mukara kucheka all those gym couples that inazo. They don't have drama. You understand? Yes, of course, drama don't push my videos, but sometimes it's not always necessary to cause drama. You understand? Tight is too dramatic. I don't wanna lie. He is too dramatic. Like everything you post, I can post actually right now on Twitter. You post. I can do that. You post. That's why you see with YouTube channel Tight is no longer getting views because he says I can post on YouTube. You know, I can post on Facebook. You take the same content. Or you put post on YouTube. Or you put the post on Tight. He breaks too much. You understand? Tight. I know guns too much. I will tell you one thing. Did you notice with the Paitambura Varanyat, they were getting so many views? Help, this and that, they were getting so many views. But I posted they were getting so many fucking views. You understand? What's the reason? The reason is because Zimbabweans, they like Munukana actually eat a content that they can relate. If we are posting content, the only people they can relate, people they are seeing that situation each and every day, people they're also facing those challenges each and every day, you get so many views. I don't know, like, ukaposte uchitambura, uchikwangoya, uchizvachakachakati, uchidzwa sadza risina ufu, what, people they will like that because they are relating. Everyone akaomerwa, munhu esa kutambura, munhu esa hana mari, munhu hana this that. But if you start to brag, like bragging kune mafans ako, uchiwaudza, uchiposta, I'm not saying it's bad kuenda kuma vacation, kuenda kuma Dubai, kuenda kuma wari kuenda tight, but kubuka maZimbabweans, people that were with you from day one, do over buka, even by profile back some flags, akababisa Zimbabwe, which means you don't even give a fuck about Zimbabweans. Akado maZimbabweans atokumarket to check okama, you understand? maZimbabweans akabambuka because they no longer relate to his content, you understand? Content yake achavanakidze because they avacha related. maZimbabweans akatanga kurelate content vanoimaka, inoabhowa because now we are posting muri na Dubai, we are posting na China. So I'm really liking this because ndikoni creator ndotozowishwa ndizosvike koko, but kuzosvike koko ndakuita kusvike koko mune zvakanaka, vanhu vachifaro ma success angu, vanhu vachifaro ma wins angu, vanhu vachasese not kuti people they get bold kuti content yako yayekutiganzira yayekutisotesa, but when the same people were with you from day one, you understand? So kubuka kwakaita maZimbabwe ndongwabva ndi marketize and kutuka kwakaita vanhu kuita sei you can't tuka vanhu vakatanga from day one just because watuma viral videos wangoenda kundi dzimwe nyika, you understand? So yeah, that's the other reason. The other thing Kusha Uno Tight, he thinks he's the owner of social media now. He thinks he knows everything about social media. He don't know with social media it goes with terms and conditions. You know, in a name Temo, Tight, you know, he got the power to do anything that he wants because he's tight. That's why he end up with some boys because he thinks just because he's tight, he can do whatever he wants on social media. He can treat people whatever the way he wants on social media because he's tight. It's very bad. He's misusing social media, taking advantage of people because he's tight so he can do this and that. He's tight so he can do this and that. And yeah, tight, he's also motivating us. He's showing us the way good. And Angomaka tight, tight because he's showing us good. No man, with content you can get there. With content it's possible, man. But what I wanna say is like Tight needs a manager. Tight needs strong management because if we don't have a manager, the way he's chowing man, the way he's spending, what, but yeah, I'm risking for you guys. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and channel for more content. And I'm saying, yeah, the way he's doing some things, man, he's doing some mentality, with childish mentality, you understand? So I guess I'm no manager financially, mentally, and yeah, everything, man. He needs a manager. I guess I'm Tight is gonna down for Tight is it's near, my manager. So Don't forget about this. You understand? So yeah, that's the only thing that I wanted to share with you today. Why I hate tight. I see most of people you asking me with why do you hate tight? Yeah, just the hate. I'm not just the hate. I can't just hate someone from nowhere. But when tight made me hate him. I can't eat a bitter tight, you understand? He made me hate him. He made me hate him, you understand? And yeah, that's going to and after all, I still love him. I still love his content, some of his content. But yeah, the love I had for him at first is now different from the love that I have now. You understand? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and join them. And tell me what you think down in the comment section. Below, there what you understand? More to come, more content to come, you understand? I love you guys. Take care. Thank you.